Welcome back to the Guys with Rides Garage. I'm getting ready to prepare my Boxster you see up on the lift for an upcoming concours, and one of the first things I do is clean my garage. I just finished prepping the floor before dinner, and I realized I get so many compliments and questions about the RaceDeck floor I put in 4 years ago. I thought I'd cover all the pros and the one con that I've run into since I've installed it. Stay tuned. Alright, the first pro, easy to assemble. All you need to do the job is about 4 tools: a jigsaw, a rubber mallet, measuring tape, and a T-square. And with those 4 tools, I had this floor installed in a 20 by 18 garage in 4 hours on a Saturday morning. Pro number 2 is I love how the floor insulates from the cement bottom floor. It's nice even in the wintertime on the coldest days. If I'm just bringing out the trash, I can just walk out on my bare feet. And if you've ever done that in the winter on a concrete floor, you know it's crazy to do. But in this floor, you won't freeze your feet off. Pro number 3, relatively easy to clean. I have a small pressure washer. I'm going to do a small electric one that I'm going to do a review on because I think it's perfect not only for keeping the floor in here clean, but also for some detailing tips I'm going to be providing here shortly. So from that perspective, it's nice. It doesn't use a lot of water. I use some detailing supplies when I've got to scrub, something like a simple green, and my broom, and that just agitates it enough that I can wash it down with the pressure washer, and I'm done. Advantage 4 is RaceDeck flooring's strong enough to support this BendPak HD9 that I have. You see it, I don't have it bolted down. The specifications of this particular lift allow me to roll it around. The one con of the RaceDeck floor that I've run into, I regret putting white tile in. If this had been a show car garage where I don't do anything but maybe clean the cars, that would be one thing. Unfortunately, you get a lot of grease and oil on it, and it stands, and just the nature of denting the floor and tools hitting it, and just the tires running in back and forth on it, white just shows dirt. So in hindsight, I would have put gray tile in, and that would be my advice to you. But now I'm going to really zoom in and let you see what typically on the white looks like. So you can see, if I run that across, tire marks have worn in from the Boxster. As I go across, the black hides it very well. The red hides it very well. This section here, as I pan out, as you see that, it's pretty dirty. This is the area where I'm changing oil on the cars on the lift. So from that perspective, as you can imagine, you don't always get it right. Oil does tend to spill in here. Just the nature of oil changes even with the convenient lift. And you get it on the floor. So again, love the floor after 4 years. Highly recommend it. The only thing I would not recommend is getting white. So good luck. If you have any questions, email me at email@guyswithrides.com, and I'll answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.